In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Facebook Marketplace 2026. Let's keep this simple and clear. There are two easy ways to get to Marketplace, and I'll walk you through both so you can use whichever feels quickest for you. First, the direct route. In your web browser's address bar, type facebook.com/marketplace and press enter. That address takes you straight to the Marketplace home. If you're not already signed in, Facebook will prompt you to log in first. Once you're in, it will automatically open Marketplace. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a dedicated search bar for Marketplace, product categories, and location filters like your city and distance. If you prefer going through the main site, open Facebook as you normally would. On desktop, look to the left sidebar of the homepage. There's an option labeled Marketplace with a small storefront style icon. Click that, and you'll land on the same Marketplace hub. Depending on your layout, the sidebar might be condensed. If it is, reveal the full menu to find Marketplace in the core features list. The interface is designed to be familiar, so once it opens, everything from browsing to searching will be in a clean central view. A few quick notes to help if you don't see Marketplace. Availability can vary by region, age, and account status. New accounts or accounts that have recent significant changes may not see the Marketplace tab immediately. Access can also be limited if your account is under review or if you're using a profile type that doesn't support buying and selling. Make sure you're signed in to your personal profile and consider checking from a trusted, up-to-date browser on desktop if the option isn't visible. If it's a temporary account issue, it often resolves on its own over time. To make future visits faster, you can bookmark the Marketplace page in your browser so you can open it directly next time. And as you begin browsing, remember that Marketplace follows Facebook's community standards and commerce policies. Keep your location accurate for better local results, review item details carefully, and stay mindful of safety best practices when arranging meetups or payments. That's all there is to it. To recap, you can access Facebook Marketplace by going directly to facebook.com/marketplace or by opening Facebook and clicking Marketplace on the left sidebar. Choose whichever path is handiest and you'll be ready to explore listings in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Marketplace experience.